Hi there, everybody. We're going to make a 4-ingredient cookie pie today. Very simple. You can buy all the ingredients from the Dollar Tree, but our Dollar Tree doesn't have a refrigerator, so I had to go to the grocery store to purchase a few things. What you need is some chocolate cookies, a graham cracker crust, only 8 ounces of Cool Whip, but our grocery store only had the how many was it? 12 ounces, 16 ounces, so I'll use half of this. And cream cheese. That's it, and no bake. How good is that? So you need 6 ounces of cream cheese. I'll put everything in the description box below. So let's get started. I just want to let you know, you have to crush up your cookies. I used my flour tortilla. You can use a hammer, a rolling pin, your hand, but a hand surgeon wouldn't like you using your hands. So I suggest a rolling pin, a spoon, whatever you have to crush it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna crush 15 of the cookies, and you're gonna mix it in with the cream cheese. And I almost forgot, you need a 1/4 cup of sugar. And the sugar's going in with the 6 ounces of cream cheese, just like that. And you need a mixer of some sort and a spatula to get it out and fold it in. That's it. How easier can it get than that? So let's get started. We got the 6 ounces of cream cheese and the 1/4 cup of sugar. Gonna beat that in till it's soft. Just like that. Didn't even take long. Beat it good so it's nice and creamy. And we got the sugar already in. Then we're going to take half of the Cool Whip. Got my Grammie straw. It's the holidays. Spoon, I'm sorry. Tired this morning. So we're going to take half of this, just like that. Yeah, we'll call that about half right there. Just get some of this off. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in, just like this. Going to take it, bring it up older, and fold, just like that. Bring it up and fold. Okay, now we're going to take the 15 cookies that we had, and we smashed them up. See, it's going to look like that. And then we're going to put them in here, and we're going to fold those in, just like that. Bring it up and fold it over. Bring it up and fold it over till it's kind of all mixed in. Oh boy, smell those cookies. Yummy. Yummy in this Grammie's tummy. Okay, there you have it. That's what the mixture's gonna look like right there. Then you're gonna take, I started already, you're going to take a graham cracker crust. And you're gonna take the cookies. And you're gonna take them apart like this. And you're gonna put them down. Just like that. Then it's always good to put some on the bottom because it gives it a little extra flavor. And who doesn't like extra flavor? I do. And you can leave the cream right inside, just like that. And guess what? I've got 3 cookies left over. I could squeeze them in, but I think I'll use them for my lunch today, with my half a sandwich that I'm gonna have. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the mixture right here, and we're just gonna plop it on, just like this. Yummy! Look at that. And all these ingredients, if you have a big Dollar Tree in a freezer section, you might be able to find everything. But like I said, at our Dollar Tree, it's very small and we don't have that option. So I had to go to the grocery store. Take some of this off here. Who doesn't like chocolate? Cookies. And then you're just gonna smooth it around just like this. And you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then it will be ready to eat. Now look at that. Now what you're gonna do, I'm not sure if there's gonna be enough, but I think there is. I think I took 6 cookies and I smashed them up. And we're gonna top it off. I'm gonna top it off just like this. And you actually don't need that many, probably a couple of cookies would do. That smells good. I'm not gonna waste these. I'm gonna save them to put on ice cream. Who screams for ice cream? I do. I like ice cream. And put as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna call that good right there. And you know what I was just thinking? I was just thinking as I was making this, you could stick a little candy cane right on the top, but I don't have any right at the moment. But here's your cookie pie. How good does that look? Doesn't that look awesome? So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up because there's a lot of action going on here. A lot of different things coming between now and Christmas and after. And please don't forget Captain Chris, if you'd like to send me a Christmas card so I can put it in his box into his unit so he can share with his friends in the Army. And if you're interested in sending a card, please leave it in the comments below. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Like I always say, you never know what's gonna be on my channel. You never know what I'm gonna do. Neither do I. I didn't even know till about a half an hour ago what I was gonna do. So there you have it right there. Have a great day and God bless.